Hey guys, Niki here with Vapor Honing Technologies. Again, we're in our brand new showroom, open invitation. You guys, if you find yourself in North Carolina, please come and visit us in our showroom. You can see all of our equipment. What we're doing today is I wanted to talk to you again about the Weekend Warrior. This cabinet has a workspace of 33 inches wide, 30 inches deep by 28 inches high. We find that about 85% of the parts that our customers send in for us to blast will fit inside this cabinet, so it's definitely going to work well for you. This is more of a hobbyist cabinet. It's set up so that if you're only using it once a week or a couple times a week, then that's something that this cabinet is really geared for. It's got a small LED floodlight, so your lighting is good. The lighting is on the left-hand side. You've got your internal rinse nozzle, so you can rinse your part off inside, keep the abrasive inside with the water and the agitation system. We've also got the closed loop system option, but I wanted to speak to you real quickly about the open loop system. Means that to have rinsing capabilities, you're going to hook a water hose to this cabinet. Now, the water only comes into the cabinet when your window spray sprays or when you rinse your part. Now, if you wanted to have something self-contained and recycling of that rinse water, that's where the closed loop system comes into play. To add the closed loop system to the Weekend Warrior, it's $650. Currently, we're running a sale on this Weekend Warrior. Not sure how much longer it's going to last, so please don't miss out. But the Weekend Warrior's on sale at $22.99. That's about $564 off of its normal price. Give us a call today, whatever questions you have or however we can assist you. Our number is 828-202-5563. Thank you so much.